In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate expense reports in Expensify. Let's dive right in. To start off, we're going to create a new report. Begin by clicking on the green Create button. You'll find this option prominently displayed, making it easy to add new content to your account. Once clicked, you'll want to select Create Report. This action generates a fresh, empty draft report for you to work with, providing a clean slate for all your expense management needs. With your new draft report in hand, it's time to populate it with expenses. Open up your newly created report to get started. Within this interface, locate the Add Expense button and click on it. This handy feature allows you to pull in expenses that have yet to be reported. Select the individual expenses you want to include from your unreported list. This step is crucial because it ensures that all relevant expenses are brought into the report you're currently working on. Continue this process until you've added all the expenses that you need for this particular report. It's as simple as that. Next, let's review the report and submit it. Take a moment to go through all the expenses you've just added to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Look for any discrepancies or missing information. It's always better to catch these before submission. Once satisfied with the report details, go ahead and click the Submit button. This is a key step in moving your expense report forward for approval. But before you finalize submission, you might need to enter the name of the approver. This could be your manager or the person responsible for handling expenses in your team or organization. Expensify might prompt you for this detail, so be prepared. You'll also have the option to include a memo. Think of this as a personalized note or additional information that could be useful for whoever approves the report. After entering the necessary details, click Send to complete the submission process. And that's it. You've successfully generated and submitted an expense report in Expensify. By following these straightforward steps, you're ensuring that your financial records are organized and efficient, streamlining the approval process for you and your team. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps again until you're completely comfortable with the process. Thanks for tuning in. And hit subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.